Hey guys, welcome back and welcome back to part 2 of my eye makeup declutter. Now we are moving on to my mascaras, brow products, eyeliners. I have a lot to get rid of here because I actually don't venture out that much with these products. So we'll start with brows. I have my ColourPop freckle pen that I absolutely love. I will definitely be keeping that. I have my e.l.f. Instant Lift brow pencils. This one says waterproof. It's the only one I can find at Ulta. But this is in my regular shade, and this is in deep brown, which is one I wore when my hair was a little darker. We have my NYX, the brow glue. Probably time to get rid of this. She's looking gross. I have the e.l.f. soap brow. I don't use this that often, but I'm gonna keep it. e.l.f. brow lift. I use this like every day. My LA Girl brow pomade is really old, but it's the only pomade I have, so I'm gonna keep it. Then we have the NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa. Ooh! She smells like fermented. We're gonna get rid of that. We have the NYX Control Freak. I'm definitely gonna get rid of this. Ooh! She smells like nail polish remover. These are old, really old. I have the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. Oh! Sorry, I keep making that noise. This one actually has product in it. I'm gonna keep that. I didn't realize that. I needed a brow pencil the other day. This is my Merit Volumizing Pomade. It's not a pomade. It's a brow gel. I'll keep it. It's tinted. I have the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I think this is empty. It's pretty much empty. I'm gonna get rid of it. The Florence by Mills Tint and Tame Eyebrow Pencil. I actually kind of like this. And I used it the other day when I needed a brow product when my e.l.f. one had run out. So I'm gonna keep that and use it, yes. The Florence by Mills Cloud Setter. I don't really use this, but I like it. Sorry, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna keep that. I really like the little cloud brush. And then I have my Kaida brow styling gel. This is nasty, but I'm gonna keep it. I actually have a brand new one right here too. I'm gonna get rid of this really old e.l.f. eyebrow or eyelash curler, and I am gonna keep this one from Revlon. This one was sent to me by Influencer. Then we have the Farah brushes, like double-ended tweezers. I'm gonna keep those. Extra brow spoolies, compact mirror. Moving on. Okay. So this is Old Faithful right here. The CoverGirl Exhibitionist and the L'Oreal Voluminous Base. These are my go-tos. I'm keeping those. Too Faced Better Than Sex. This is the chocolate one, the brown one. I'm gonna keep that. And then I have some new ones. I have 3 new mascaras. I have the Essence Lash Princess Fall Slash Effect in black brown. Haven't got to try this yet, so obviously gonna keep it. The Polite Society Greatest Lashes of All Time. I'm gonna keep this. I obviously have not tried it yet. And I just tried this. Oh gosh. This is the Tartelette XL Tubing Mascara. I literally love this. I have used it 3 times. I have not stopped using it since I started using it. Absolutely in love with this. Oh, I thought this was the Thrive one. This is not. I'm gonna get rid of this. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. I don't even remember what that's like, but I'm gonna get rid of it. The Benefit They're Real Magnet. I did really like this when I first got it. And then I stopped using it, and now it's like 2 years old, probably. Literally still in the packaging. Push to Start Volumizing Mascara. It's a pink mascara, and I haven't even used it yet. I'm gonna keep it. This has to be dry and crusty. This is the Essence, or like original Lash Princess Fall Slash Effect Mascara. I really like this mascara. It's so good, except for the fact that it flakes really bad. Which so does the Tarte one, honestly. But I'm gonna get rid of this. I need to buy a new one. Lash Next Door. I like this mascara. It obviously doesn't do to me what it does to Brooklyn and Bailey, but they both have naturally like really long lashes, so fair. Gonna keep it. Oh, this is like empty. It feels so light. This is the Upswing mascara by Bite Beauty. Absolutely loved this mascara in its prime. By Beauty doesn't exist anymore, so like I am gonna keep this just like for memories, but I'm definitely never gonna use it. The Scooby-Doo Mascara. I use this one sometimes when I just don't want to use one of my other mascaras that's actually good, because I don't think this one's very good. Merit Beauty Perfect Black Lengthening Mascara. I am not gonna keep this. It's old and smells a little bit like dirt. It's really old. I really am a creature of habits when it comes to these products. L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I can probably get rid of this. It's probably near empty. So, bye-bye. Okay. Oh. We have the Glamnetic eyeliner. I'm gonna keep it, but... Oh, look at that. It's like wet again. I'll keep it. I'll keep it. We have the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen. I like this eyeliner a lot. Very black, very wet. The Scone Cosmetics Tattooed Liner. I used to freaking be obsessed with this eyeliner. I'm going to keep this one. I need to get back into Scone Cosmetics eyeliner because it's like so good. The Revlon Colorstay Micro. Ooh. I'm sorry. What? Oh, it's so black. But what is all that? I'm gonna have to throw this one out. I mean, it looks stunning. I just might have to get a new one. It definitely is a really fine line. My Bite Beauty Upswing eyeliner. I received this and the mascara from Influencer. Oh, it's so dry. It's so dry. I used the heck out of this. Like, it's empty and dry. My two baddest babes. These are my two bibis. We have Wet n Wild Mega Liner. It's like they need to be wiped off, but like, oh, that was a fine line. You guys see that? And then the e.l.f. one. Look at that. Dang. Those are my favorites. They're very similar. This one's just a little bit more like matte. The Wet n Wild one's a little bit more matte. And this one's just like my everyday one. So obviously keeping both of those. Then my one brown one. This is the Better Than Sex Chocolate. Chocolate. It does have a weird tip. It's always had a weird tip. It stabs my eyeball and I hate that, but I feel like this one was just defective, but I really like it, so I still use it, even though it's like that. The Scooby-Doo Bat Eyes from Glamnetic. Oh my. I might be able to get rid of this. Oh gosh, it just seems like... What is that? What is that shape? Anyway. Nah, I'm gonna keep that. That's very dark. Jump scare. I'm gonna keep this. I still haven't really got to use it. If you guys have any ideas of what I should like do with this thing, please let me know. I've only used it once and I really want to use it more. I just like haven't. Here's all the eyebrow tattoos for it. Got all these tattoo eyebrows for my fake thing. And then a new e.l.f. lash curler. Also, I know my freckle pen doesn't really fit the vibe of this, but I really don't know where else to put it, and it makes sense in here to me. But that drawer is done. Now for my lash drawer. This one's a lot. These are my Poop Lunch lashes. I'm going to keep them. I am going to get rid of these. These are the Kiss My Lash But Better. I used to wear So Real all the time. Like, they're literally disgusting. But I am gonna get rid of these now. Oh. Whoopsie. I have brand new Ioni lashes. Most of these are Ioni. I don't know if you guys can tell. Like, it's a massive amount of Ioni lashes. I'm gonna keep those. I have 3 sets of these Lily lashes in Allure. Oh gosh, these are from a small business that went out of business, I assume, during COVID. Pretty Lovely Official. I'm gonna keep these. They're actually so stunning. I still wear them. We have the Anastasia ones. I don't really wear these that often anymore. I'm gonna keep them. They're in So Hollywood. I'm probably gonna get rid of the Scooby-Doo lashes. I've only worn them like 1 time. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of these. I have my Lily lashes that I got from Influencer. I have Mykonos and Miami. Love both of these. Gonna keep them. I have Wealth. Beauty Spell. I can probably get rid of Beauty Spell. These ones do not look very me. These are a second pair. I have 2 pairs of these ones. I have some fun colored ones that I think would be cool for like some kind of look. I have these ones with pearls on them, but I'm probably gonna get rid of these because I don't think I'll ever wear them. I'm gonna get rid of these ones from Dollar General from Kiss because I literally never wear them, ever. I have a couple that are like brand new that I'll offer to some people, but I'm gonna get rid of these. Same with these. These are so old. 100% natural hair in the in the style Ritzy. In here, I have lashes I need to get rid of. These are Dollar General lashes, and these are like Kiss from, they're like the natural ones. Maybe I'll keep the natural ones. Maybe I want to wear lashes sometimes, like a natural one. But I am going to get rid of the other ones. I can't even tell you what they were. I think I'm probably going to put like one of each of my Poop Lunch lashes in here because I really like those a lot. I'm keeping those. We have the magnetic lashes from Ardell. These are garbage. The Glamnetic eyeliner. The NYX eyeliner. Putting those in my eyeliners. Lash glue. Magnetic lash glue. Confusion. I will keep this one. This one's the Duo one. I'll keep that. I'm gonna need it soon anyway. I really like these. These are the NYX clusters. Really like those. Use them with that like lash adhesive. This one's tough. This one's difficult. I have all my Glamnetic lashes. I don't know if I should even give another try, is the problem. Those ones are big. I have Sweetheart, Lust, Love, Livin'. I don't think I like Livin' that well. These ones I think were like my favorites. Lux and then Pixie, which are like brown or pink or something. Anyway, I'm gonna keep all of these even though I'm very like unsure about them. It's just like my experience with Glamnetic wasn't that pleasant, so I really just don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna get rid of these ones. They're also brand new. These ones are brand new, but I want to use them. All of these ones in the back are new. These ones are used. So I guess only a couple of them are new. I'm going to keep those ones. I'm going to keep those. I'm not sure about these ones. I'm going to put these ones in the back. I like those ones a lot. I like those ones. There's so much glue on these. These are my favorites, I think. I don't know. That's not true. These ones have really like bumped up to be my favorite ones. These are all from Ioni. I don't think I like these ones as well. I'll put those in the back. I really like these ones too. And these ones. These ones are all like my favorites. I'll put them back in like order of like how much I like them. But I need to take them all out first. All done, and much better, if I do say so myself. Like, so much better. I have a lot of lashes. I actually do have some Ione single lashes, but I'll probably just put those right here. I was actually wearing them the other day, so my bad. That concludes part 2. What's in here? No, that's lippies. That's lippies. We got rid of a lot. Like, wait till you see what we got rid of. Here's everything we're getting rid of today. There is a lot of lashes, a lot of mascaras and brow products. A lot of this is trash. I think these were worn once. They might be okay. These are all brand new. I'll see if anyone wants them, even for like a Halloween costume or something. These 2 were worn once. We will see. But these are all trash. 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 All of this is trash. Because it's all old and used and expired. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and it was fun to watch me go through all of my crap again. If you haven't seen part 1, I will link it down below for you. Make sure to give that a watch. I go through all of my eyeshadow palettes, eyeliners, like my creative makeup, that kind of stuff. So that one's probably a little bit more exciting than this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you did. I post new videos every single week, usually on Saturdays, but sometimes Sundays. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!